Okay, let's start. And the topic of discussion for this presentation is why you should use a professional agency for filing your PR or citizenship application and what benefits it can bring. Now, what happens? We get a lot of calls every day. And in some cases, the typical questions by the customers ask are like this. First is, what do you exactly do special about my case that I cannot do in filing? What is your success rate? Do you give any guarantees? I think the question really is whether the services of a professional agent for filing PR and citizenship are those worth or not. That is basically the basic point here. So let's have a look. I'm going to explain it in a very brief presentation. So let's first understand the landscape. If you consider number of people applying PR and citizenship versus the places allowed. So at this point of time, the total number of people who are qualified to apply for PR, that is the people who are on employment pass, S pass, dependent pass, maybe even personalized employment pass, entry pass, is 674,000. And every year only 30,000 PRs are approved. That means the quota is only 4% of available people. If you divide this 30,000 by 674,000, you will actually get 4.4%, but I think the system rounded it up to 4%. And the same goes for people who are qualified to apply for citizenship, that is essentially the people who are on PR primarily, which is 500,000, and places approved every year are only 20,000, that is 4%. So this 4% is a very startling statistics. It's a very low rate. What it indirectly means, in a way you are appearing for a competitive examination where only top 4% will get selected. And this makes Singapore PR or citizenship hardest to get. Now almost 10 years back this was not the situation. At that time the approval rates were far better. But today the economy has grown and government has decided to cap the number of approvals every year. Because of this situation has arisen. And remember, this is national approval or national quota that I can say. If you are from some specific ethnicity or if you are from an industry that is not in demand, the competition may be even difficult for you. Now somebody may argue that 4% is compared to all the people who are qualified, but not everybody might be applying every year. That point is understood, but for statistics purpose we decided to go this way. So now the next question is, what can you do? Suppose your PR or citizenship application has been rejected multiple times previously, or even if you are applying for the first time, you have three options. Option number one, file it again yourself. So basically you will take same documents, same form, maybe a little bit of change in job description or maybe salary. So the only thing here changes when you subsequently apply is the duration of stay gets increased by 6 months or 1 year, and maybe your salary gets increased by 1 or 2%, and maybe you might have got a promotion. But other than this, nothing is changing. The second option is use an agent to file your application. And the last option is you can start preparing for relocation to some other country. For example, Canada. If you feel that Singapore is not, you are not likely to really get Singapore PR or citizenship, you can think of other country also. But this last option is not really worth, because from Singapore again going to another country, settling there, taking your family is going to be an effortful thing. So to me, out of these three, using an agent seems to be a logical option, because filing it again yourself is likely to get same result. And the last option is not really viable. But before that, let's also have a look on one more interesting point. So ICAI is a government authority which approves PR and citizenship application. But my guess is somewhere it is also using a point-based system internally. So there is no point-based system to calculate your chances publicly disclosed. But internally, they must be using something similar to that. And why I feel so is because ICA processes 300,000 combined applications. So if you take PR plus citizenship, it's almost 300,000 applications per year. And that means every day they are deciding on 1200 applications, which is a very high number. So it is not possible for somebody to sit on a case, go through it, and then decide and subjectively approve. I think they have some kind of point-based system where they enter all these details, and then system compares your profile with all other in that pool, maybe in your industry sector, your ethnicity, and then it decides whether you get PR or not. This is the mechanism. So now I will come to the main point, how an agent can help here. So the first thing that we will do is a complete review of your profile. So what is a complete review? Every profile has some strengths and some weaknesses. Now many a times people don't understand this. They just put documents which ICA has asked, file the form and forget about it. But there might be strengths in your profile which we can highlight it in a proper way. So this review we will do. There can be some points on which you do not score, but it might be possible to easily grab those points also. So we will put some tips and action plan to strengthen your profile score. So basically what we are doing, we are working on a plan where you can score maybe 1 or 2 extra points in many of those ICA considerations. We will take complete review of all documents to ensure those are error free. So this doesn't add any points to your profile, but actually it ensures that nothing is wrong. Sometimes it happens that your document may not be complete. Then we will combine all this in a personalized cover letter. If required, we will customize the testimonial letters for you so that those are impressive. And we will file all this to ICA on your behalf. So now we come to the question that is typically asked, what is your success rate and do you give any guarantees? Now understand one thing, the national rate is 4% quota. Even if we presume that only 1/3 people are applying, the approval rate will come to somewhere around 12%. So there is no point in having success rate. And important thing is that ICA took action on one of the firms in this sector, one of the large firms, which is located somewhere in the city in Suntec Tower. You can search on the internet case against the immigration firm for falsely claiming 99% success rate. So since then, ICA has advised not to publish this kind of success rates. But what we can assure you that when you come to us and when we are providing services for you consulting, we will try to do best for your case to improve your chances. So in summary, whether to use an agent or not is your choice. But you have a lot at stake because if you do not get PR and if you lose a job, the risks are high. So I don't have to explain you all those points why PR or citizenship is important, that you will be definitely knowing. Now chances of success if you file same application again yourself without any major changes, without any new major information are quite low. So if your idea is that after 3 or 4 rejections, you will again go and file the same application and you will expect the approval to come by, then I will say that chances are pretty much low unless your duration of stay is so high that it singularly contributes significantly to your application. So our suggestion is explore our services, our prices are reasonable, our work quality is good. In a way we work like an advocate or a lawyer for you. We try to build and put forward the best case to the immigration authorities. Just like advocate or lawyer, we can't give any guarantee of the outcome because ultimately the decision is by another authority.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel today. PR Application is a leading immigration consultancy company in Singapore.